Hi, welcome to Binder Family Chiropractic. This is Dr. Binder, and I am here this morning getting ready to adjust one of our practice members. Her name is Ava. Ava, are you ready to get adjusted, sweetie? So we see lots of babies in our office, from birth all the way up to grandmas and grandpas. So I check her hips and her tailbone. S2 is really common for constipation. You can see when you're adjusting kids, it's very gentle as opposed to using more of your whole hand with adjusting adults. We use our fingers to adjust babies. And then I'll flip her over. We'll check the top of her neck. Yes! Good job! So chiropractic care for children is very beneficial to help their neurology. They grow the quickest from birth to 3 years old. So making sure that their nervous system is developing the best during those times is really essential for her. Thanks so much, everyone. Join us next time.